It's not gonna work on the logout, so I want to click on this and go to the logout. It logs you out, okay? And this is what's pissing me off for a while, so let me just get it out of the way, okay? Go to the reducer, add another case. It's actually pretty easy. I didn't do this before, okay? So let's go right here, logouts, and then we're gonna rechange it simply none, okay? So that means instead of the user, we're gonna just have nothing. So let's go back to the components, and then we're gonna go to the header, and then we're gonna go to the, what was it? The search, the user menu, okay, this one, user menu, because this is what it's called. This is the user menu, okay? And we have this button here, logout, okay? We're gonna go right here, one click, and just simply have like a function right here. Let's call it logout. Okay, and we're gonna create this function. So right here, const logout, which is gonna be an arrow function. We're just simply gonna log out. So, okay, let me just get the dispatch, because we're gonna need to dispatch the action that we just added. So const dispatch equal use dispatch. I'm tired, so I'm writing slow. Use dispatch. Let me just import it. Import use dispatch from React Redux like this, and then in the logout we're just simply gonna dispatch the action, which is gonna be dispatch. Okay, the type is gonna be logout. Okay, and the payload, we don't need to add anything, because define the payload, which is gonna be none, so we don't need to pass it. Okay, and also let me just define other things. Let me just keep the cookies. So import cookies from JS cookie. Okay, so and then we're gonna go to the cookies and also remove that. So we're gonna set the user that we have to nothing. So the user just simply gonna become nothing, and after all of this we need another thing, which is gonna be navigate you to the login page, okay, when everything is done. So navigate equal use navigate from React Router to DOM. This is gonna be const navigate. Okay, forget that. And then after everything right here, just navigate to the login page, okay, like this. Okay, so now let's try this. Go right here, open the menu and click on logout, and there you go, now in the login page. Okay, if you go back right here and then go, as you see, the user now is empty, and also in the Redux store, let me go to the Redux, and then you're going to see that it's not necessary actually you actually don't need to do this navigate, because we've already done. If you don't have a user, simply just gonna get you out of the way and put you to the login page. Okay, but just like a layer of security else, so if something happened, we don't know, we make sure that we navigate and take you to the login page. Okay, so that was the logout. This is actually pretty simple, so see you next.